So here is how to delete squads in Ultimate Team on FC25. So begin by launching the game and then select Ultimate Team. Then on the home page, use the R1 or the L1 button and select Club. Then select Enter Squad. Now within the squad, press the L3 button, and to do this, just press in your left analog stick and then select Squad Selector. From here now, you'll see all the squads that you have. So for me, I have 2 of them. This one being the active one, and this one was a test squad. So if you want to delete a squad, so highlight the squad you want to delete, and then press the delete squad button, which is set to triangle on your controller. So press that, and then you'll be asked, are you sure you want to delete this squad? Confirm by selecting yes. And that squad will be removed or deleted. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.